Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to turn off your active status in the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This is a useful feature if you want to browse Facebook without letting your friends know you are online. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, find the option called Active Status and tap on it. Then you will see a switch labeled Show when you are active. Finally, turn off this switch to hide your active status from your friends. Then click on Turn Off to confirm. Once you have done this, your friends will no longer see you online, even when you are using the app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.